Imagine if the largest structures on Earth were never built by anyone. Not because they are hidden, but because they are everywhere. Imagine if we've been walking past them for thousands of years without ever asking why they exist. Some of these formations are taller than skyscrapers. Some stretch farther than cities, and some are older than human memory. Science tells us they were shaped by time, by wind, by water, by forces we barely notice. But imagine if size itself is the clue. Imagine if Earth builds bigger than we think, and we've mistaken giants for background scenery. Across every continent, massive stone structures rise from the land. They stand alone or gather in silent groups. So large, they reshape the horizon. Some tower higher than modern skyscrapers. Others stretch farther than entire cities. Yet we rarely stop to question them because they feel normal, permanent, unchanging. But imagine if that's exactly why they matter. Because nothing on Earth is truly permanent. Not even stone. Scientists explain these giants through geology, through pressure beneath the Earth's crust, through heat, and time beyond comprehension. Millions of years of change, erosion carving, layer by layer, until shapes emerge that feel intentional, almost designed. But imagine if scale itself is the message. What if these giants exist to remind us how small we truly are? These structures were already ancient. Before the first cities, before written history, before memory itself, and still, they remain. Silent, unmoving, watching time pass. As civilizations rise and disappear. But some giants don't stand alone. They gather, like cities shaped by nature itself. Rows, corridors, open plazas carved from stone. From above, patterns begin to appear. Lines, angles, repetition. Science explains this through fractures. Stress deep beneath the Earth's surface. Stone splitting along invisible weaknesses. Then erosion takes over, removing what doesn't belong, leaving behind what does. But imagine seeing this for the first time, with no knowledge of geology, no understanding of time, just stone rising in patterns. Would you see randomness or structure? Imagine if nature builds cities without walls, without inhabitants, without purpose we can recognize. Some formations appear almost artificial, too orderly to ignore, yet too vast to be built, stretching for kilometers, rising from a planet in motion, a planet that cracks, shifts, and rebuilds itself. Imagine if these stone cities are not anomalies, but signatures, left behind by Earth's own processes. Processes we are still learning to read, still learning to understand, still learning to notice. These stone giants are ancient, far older than any human structure, older than cities, older than written history, older than memory itself. They formed when continents looked different, when seas were higher and ice covered much of the land. They survived changing climates, rising temperatures, falling temperatures, and constant erosion. Grain by grain, layer by layer, over millions of years. They have witnessed Earth in motion, mountains rising, land breaking apart, and land being reshaped, while life came and went, including us. Civilizations rose nearby and disappeared, but the stone remained, unmoved by time. Imagine how many stories they've outlasted, how many worlds have changed around them while they stayed the same. They remind us of deep time, time beyond human scale, time that doesn't notice us, yet leaves its marks everywhere. Imagine if these giants are not just remnants, but reminders of how old this planet truly is. But stone is only part of Earth's story, because life found a way to begin. In oceans older than continents, from the smallest beginnings, life slowly changed the planet. Oxygen filled the air. Plants took hold of the land. Animals followed. Life adapted, survived extinction, and evolved again, until one species began to ask questions about where life came from and where it might be going. In our next journey, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.